Hi, I'm Gloria Pierson and I'm a certified life coach. The video today is on New Year's intention setting ritual. I actually did this myself yesterday and it was awesome. And this is part of a series of videos I'm going to do for success in 2019. So if you enjoy my videos, please hit that subscribe button. And if you enjoyed this video, please like it. But anyway, let's go ahead and get started on setting those intentions for 2019. So are you ready to set some intentions for 2019? First of all, for numerology, 2019 is a 3-year cycle, and it's all about communication and joy. So maybe your intentions, what do you want to do to bring more joy into your life? Well, before we get started on the different steps, there's a few things that I want you to gather. The first is a journal. I have a journal. If you have a new one or one you already have. So you want a journal. Then you want to gather some colored pencils or markers. I also use some oil pastel sets. Maybe you want some crystals, a candle, and if you have either sage or Palo Santo to cleanse the area, that could be part of this also. So once you gather it, this is how I want you to go ahead and do it. First, in the journal, on a page, you're going to write 2018 at the top of the page. And what that is, we're going to review 2018 before we go into 2019. So at the top of the page, 2018, I want you to put what was the most significant event that happened in your life in 2018. And you write that down. Underneath it, I want you to put what gave you the greatest joy this year and the greatest sorrow. The greatest joy and the greatest sorrow. Underneath that, what lesson did you learn this year? What lesson did you learn and are you grateful for this year? Then I want you to put, what are you thankful for this year? And I listed a whole ton of stuff under this. What are you thankful for this year? Then once you finish that, I want you to take a separate sheet of paper and put, what do you want to leave behind this year? What do you want to leave in 2018? Maybe it's fear. Maybe it's a friendship you outgrew. What do you want to leave behind? And write that down. Now, once you've done that, I want you to get a candle and light a candle. And as you light it, think of the blessings you had in 2018, what you're thankful for. And just spend a few moments letting that feeling of gratitude permeate every cell in your body. 2018. Then the little paper you wrote what you want to leave behind. Very carefully burn it and put the ashes in the wind outside. Because that's gone. Boom, that's it. You're done with that, 2018. Then take your sage or your Palo Santo and cleanse your living area. Go around it and ask that any energy that does not serve your greater good, recycle. And that you only want love and light in 2019 in your space. So by cleansing the area with that, and like I said, you could use sage, you can use incense. I kind of did a combination of both. And again, I had the candle also burning with the gratitude. So what you're doing is you're cleansing out to make way for 2019. So once you cleanse the house, you're going to have a candle burning. Then we're going to do 2019. So I want you to take your journal, and at the top of the page, I want you to have fun with this page. Write a big 2019 at the top of the page and put the date that you're doing this. 2019. And at the top, I want you to put this or something better in 2019. Write that right under that big 2019. Then I want you to pick 1 or 2 words that will signify what you want this year. 1 or 2 words. Those are going to be your go-to words. Mine, I put love and abundance. Maybe it's success. What word or 2 words do you want to define your year 2019? So write that right under that. And then put a big heading, manifest in 2019. And write down what you want to manifest in your life this year. Could be, I wrote 5 different things, what I wanted to manifest. Then under that, the next column is nurture. What are you going to do in 2019 to nurture yourself? Mine is to follow and improve my intuition, continue reading inspirational books, bring more compassion in. Maybe you want to meditate, do self-care exercise, lose weight. How are you going to nurture yourself in 2019? And then under that, put that this, again, this or something better will be coming into your life. And then a little affirmation I put at the bottom is, my God is a God of plenty, and I now receive all that I desire and require and more. So that doesn't have to be the quote, but put a quote at the bottom. Put a quote at the bottom and then decorate it. Take your pencils, take your markers. I even put ribbon on mine and make it a fun page. And this is something after a meditation or something you could refer to and have the feeling of joy. Numerology, 3rd year cycle, the feeling of joy and what you're going to manifest into your life. This is a great exercise. I strongly suggest you do this. And again, this is the first in a series of videos I'm going to do about having success in 2019. Now, if you enjoy my videos, please hit that subscribe button. And if you like this video, please hit the like button. Now, if you're having trouble doing any of these, write to me in the comments and I will answer and help you. Sending you lots of love and light. Until next time.